Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today happy news for beginners, who ever want to learn Entity Framework. I have created a separate Entity Framework tutorial playlist for beginners. And in this video, before start to learn, we must know what is Entity Framework. Also why and where we are going to use this into our .NET projects. Entity Framework is an object relational mapper, developed by Microsoft Corporation. And it is supported by all relational databases, such as SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, etc. Entity Framework is an entity-based model object relational mapper. So we can map our database table as .NET model objects which are used to write Entity Framework statements. And it has a data cache mechanism, which is used to increase the performance. Why? Entity Framework is widely used by .NET developers. In the past days, developers have to write some additional logic to access database for every call, using ADO.NET objects. And we must know SQL queries to fetch data from database, and do any SQL transactions. Entity Framework prevents developers to write additional lines of code to access database. And developers without having knowledge of writing SQL queries, can easily access and get data from database by using Entity Framework. Where we can use Entity Framework. We can use it in all the .NET projects, which are expecting data from database. And we must know to write link extension methods or link to SQL statements when using Entity Framework. Writing of both statements is very easy compared to writing SQL queries. In this playlist, I am going to teach you to write both link extension methods and link to SQL statements, to manipulate data from database by using Entity Framework. Before writing Entity Framework statements, we must know how to install and configure it into our .NET project. In the next video, I am going to show you how to install Entity Framework and create required objects on .NET project. If you like this video, share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.